Now when we're doing our twisty disty, it's you gotta have this button pushed in. Let's see if I could do this. You gotta have this button pushed in for the full mechanism to do all its gluing. Okay, this thing is mechanically broken. This never locks. This will not lock the position, so even when its door is locked, you shake the door and this will fall down. So I had to get a replacement, which is this. This is using a push button to know when to latch. This one did not. So instead of removing this, I just drilled a hole, saw that there's nothing in there, drilled the hole, so now the pin goes into there, and we had to adjust the latch to come out far enough. And also this one has an adjustment where I made this one come out. So easy. Easy peasy. Oh, that's all to do. Like you could take this off and take this off, but then you're gonna lose. Well, it's just easier. Quicker to drill a hole, I guess. Although the did break and make boo-boos. Ouch! Blood everywhere. When you're putting this back on, you want it in a position where the handle isn't going to hit the wall when you try to unlock it. So this one is the unlock position. Putting it this way, you're in your unlock position. So when I come over here, lock is down. If I put the handle in the other direction, the lock would be into the wall and you won't be able to unlock it. So you have to pay attention to what you're doing with those.